Meals on Wheels will be rolling through Erie County today for its annual Blizzard Bag Delivery. That's where we'll find Jocelyn Person joining us now live outside the Meals on Wheels Erie building to give us details on what is going on. Good morning, Jocelyn.
Good morning to you, Dave. It has been over 50 years Meals on Wheels of Erie has served the community with food, and now they're also going to serve the community with some cozy items today. Now, Meals on Wheels recipients will have special emergency blizzard bags of groceries on hand this winter. Volunteers of the organization will begin delivering the emergency blizzard bags to seniors and adults with disabilities in the Erie County area. Each year, Meals on Wheels Erie partners with the Second Harvest Food Bank to complete this winter mission. Now, the Second Harvest Food Bank's volunteers prepare non-perishable food and drink items for Meals on Wheels clients. Now, Wendy Wallace, the executive director of Meals on Wheels, says she and the organization are grateful to still provide this opportunity despite having things change because of the pandemic.
We're thinking of you, and we know this is a very difficult time with COVID-19 keeping you a little bit more cooped up than you'd like to be. We're all missing our routines and our things in our life, our families and friends that we're not able to see as often. But I just want to let our clients know, and us as an organization, that we're thinking of you, and we want to keep you warm and safe and known that you're cared about.
Volunteers will deliver 140 bags to clients beginning today at 9:30. Dave.
And those bags, I'm sure, will be well received. Thank you, Jocelyn.